In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the correct and incorrect answers in Google Forms. This feature is especially useful for educators or organizers looking to maintain the integrity of a quiz or assessment by preventing participants from seeing which answers they got right or wrong immediately after submission. To begin, you'll want to access Google Forms. If you haven't already set up your Google account, make sure you do so for easy access to all of Google's services. Once you're logged in, navigate to Google Forms by either searching in your browser or selecting it from your Google app menu. You can either choose to create a new form from scratch or modify an existing one. For this tutorial, let's start by creating a new quiz using the blank quiz template that's available in Google Forms. This template automatically configures your form as a quiz, which is a time saver if you're looking to leverage the quiz-centric features of Google Forms. Now, let's add a few questions to our form. Click on the plus icon to add a new question. You can choose from various types of questions, such as multiple choice, checkbox, or drop-down, depending on what suits your quiz best. Once your questions are set, the important part is setting the correct and incorrect responses. So for each question, make sure to select the answer key option and select the correct response. This setup is pivotal because hiding correct and incorrect answers relies on Google Forms' quiz feature, recognizing which responses are deemed correct. Next, let's talk about responses and feedback. In the quiz setting where you previously selected your correct answers, you're also presented with an option to add feedback for correct and incorrect answers. It's this feedback that normally get displayed to the participants after they complete the quiz. Now, you'll want to hide these responses. To do this, you'll need to adjust your settings. Click on the Settings wheel, which is usually located at the top right corner of your form, and navigate to the Quizzes tab. In this section, you'll find a variety of options related to quiz-specific settings. Look for options that relate to showing missed questions, correct answers, and point values. For your purposes, you'll want to deselect or toggle off the options to show missed questions and correct answers. Doing so ensures that once the quiz is submitted, participants cannot see which questions they got right or wrong. After making these changes, remember to save your settings. Otherwise, all your adjustments will be lost when you exit the form. And there you have it. Your Google form is now set up to hide the results post-quiz, keeping that information confidential until you're ready to share it. This setup maintains the integrity of your assessments and can be reused for future quizzes. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel confident applying these settings on your own Google Forms.